Parag, why are you anti-marriage?
Because अबे क्या ये?
अरे उसमें क्या कॉन्शियस कर रहा है क्या तू?
अरे मैं इधर बैठा, मैं कैसे करेगा? तू रिकॉर्ड
क्या
कर।
कुछ फ्री डिस्कशन कर भी नहीं पाता यार एक
नहीं,
रुक
continue.
नहीं,
continue.
sorry, yeah, please continue.
See, because I don't believe that, you know, 1-2 persons can just stay together for the rest of their life. What if I like someone else sometime in the future? Stay a good friend.
Control.
Actually, that the grass is always greener on the other side.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा ही है.
That means you want to. That means you want to eat your cake and have it.
I don't want to have kids. I want a free life. I want to enjoy my life. I don't want to be bound by anything or anyone.
Start enjoying with someone more than alone.
Yeah, if that happens, then it's okay. It's fine. But I don't think so. It's gonna happen.
That's
what
why
everyone thinks.
Yeah, but still, I don't know.
You'll find someone like that and you'll marry her, or will you like be in a live-in relationship?
Yeah, maybe.
What if your parents think they have found
Marriage
it?
is not essential.
I'm not talking about
Partnership
marriage.
is what we're talking
Companionship is what.
Companionship, I'm fine by it. But I don't want to be
How many companions
Bound.
do you have?
Bounded is the
to
word.
someone.
No, Milord, bounded is the word.
Bounded is the word. That's the key word.
Why do you
I
think
don't
marriage?
want to come back at home and report to someone कि मैंने आज क्या किया.
Oh, it's not reporting, I guess.
That is a problem, na? Marriage.
होता है.
Marriage is not a binding. It is not a binding. I mean, if it becomes a binding, it is not a marriage anymore.
Yeah, I mean it tends to happen now.
No, it is again.
It may be not.
Again, I like to repeat that it is on the basis because any relationship is on the basis of two individuals, not just marriage.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. You talk about marriage, you talk about a mother-daughter relationship or a mother-son relationship. Any relationship involves two people. So ultimately, any relationship will be defined by those two people only, not by anything else. Of course, you. हाँ तो
Great management.
नहीं, but that is the ultimate truth. I mean, if you realize that any marriage or any relationship has got to be successful because, like they say, you know, ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती. So it has to be, you know, a two-way process.
Any retaliation to that?
No, I
So
completely agree.
where does the question of binding come? I don't understand. I mean, of course, if you are getting married to someone you don't know and you're playing a blind game of sorts,
I guess at this point he's just trying to imagine how it would be.
he's not ready for it.
Right now, because
He's not
whatever I'm
Anyone who doesn't see anything is a non-believer.
Exactly.
Yeah, because my beliefs are based on what I'm seeing around me. With my parents, with my uncle, aunt, with my family.
We are surrounded by a lot of failed marriages.
Yeah, sort of in the like surrounding buildings and
But
the
then,
building friends. and
that is the
everything.
problem now. Why do we
So-
generalize?
So that's
There's
what. No.
another thing about marriages. What you see on the outside is not what is there in the inside.
That's true.
Even with your parents. You might think that you know such and such thing about your parents' marriage, but
Yes.
generally that's never the case.
Okay.
The most likely candidate for the next marriage
It's not me.
is someone
It's
we are looking at
Pallavi.
right now.
Yeah, it's over there.
Pallavi.
She's done. She's done. Her date is out. The most likely
She was
candidate.
saying, क्या यार मेरा तक हुआ नहीं शादी फिर मेरे को आउट कर दिया. But she's fixed.
So anyway. Chod, that useless guy doesn't have anything to say. So we'll stick to Pallavi's story.
What am I supposed to speak?
What are your expectations from your marriage?
I expect that after I get married, I shouldn't feel that I'm bound by marriage, or I shouldn't feel like I'm married. It should be the same.
Bound is the
Bound is the
But-
word.
It was before.
Anyways, but why wouldn't you want to feel like a married woman?
No,
What
it's
is so
not
wrong with
about
that?
marriage, but I don't want my relationship to change after marriage.
Wouldn't that
So I
mean
want
that you
it to
have
be
a
the same like it is now?
no? But wouldn't that mean that you have a preconceived set of notions about marriage, which is, I should say, wrong? Why do you think marriage is equal to binding? And why can't you equate marriage to another different set of freedom?
I think it's got more to do with the mindset of
Yeah, I mean,
marriage
why?
with Indian men rather.
See,
I mean,
that is the point. Now, I mean, since when did marriage become equal to something.
No, but I mean that is the mindset that people have, especially urban people with when they're getting married, especially with Indian men who tend to have a lot of ego.
Marriage is generally a
Generally,
license.
exactly.
That, men are allowed to change their women and women are allowed
Allowed
to change
to-
their
Not
Or at least
generally,
try.
at least try, or women are expected to change.
Again, I would like to add, if that change is something that both enjoy, then why not?
No, but why would see
Cliche.
when you are
It's a
accepting
cliche.
someone the way
No,
you are,
why is it
ask
cliched?
someone to
It's not
change.
cliched. It's a very
If
sensible
enjoy,
statement.
It's not a change. It's a transition.
Exactly. But if
There's a
I
difference between a transition and a change. Change is what I'm not naturally X, but you're asking me to be.
that is what. But you also know that the only thing that doesn't remain constant is change itself. So what is the harm in changing in a good way?
No, but I mean, why would you
change
change?
and transition? If both people are enjoying it, it's a transition.
It's a
It's
transition.
marriage in the relationship.
Exactly. If
But
one
if
person
you're
is not
being forced to
enjoying
do
it,
something,
that's slowly.
Now over here, most people have already been with whoever their partners are going to be for at least some months, so they know what.
Pair up with
Exactly.
No,
You're
that
aware
I
of your
think-
likes and
शादी के
dislikes.
बाद ये बदल दूंगा.
Yeah. I really.
Marriage is only a license to stay together, to have kids. That's it.
That is again.
So it's not a
So,
license.
but in our
You can
society, you
live
can't
in
really
Yeah.
have that, right? You
That is just
No,
a
so I
side.
mean, you.
don't overwhelm.
No, then.
Don't give you respect.
That
have kids
that
after marriage.
I would say is just a side
So it's
effect
just
of marriage.
To stay in a society.
That I would say is just a side effect of marriage.
No, but I mean, that again is.
So if it happens at the wrong time.
No, if you're not married, if you're not married, you'll be 10 times more precautious.
So even if you are married, you will take precautions until you plan.
Huh? Sorry?
Even if you are married, you would take precaution until you plan.
Yeah, but then you would be a little, a tad, what do you say, complacent, because
Yeah.
if it does happen,
Yeah,
nobody
chalta
cares.
hai.
Chalta hai. Shaadi ho gayi hai.
शादी हो गई
It's not
If-
that way. If you plan it, then you have to take the necessary precautions.
The
That's
social
right.
If you have a complacent attitude, then-
Anyways, let's not discuss kids. That is not
yeah,
what we are
kids is different
discussing.
thing, but it's basically to stay together and to tell people that
I wouldn't mind having a marriage without kids either. So
one last question to Baran. Since
yes,
To me?
the focus is all on you.
Me? Okay.
what if you like a girl who's like perfect, no bounding, whatever, but she likes kids a lot, then
It cannot be possible.
How can women like
then
kids?
he will actually
It cannot be like he likes her. That
what
happens.
if
It's not
everything is
necessary.
perfect
That's
about
not
her?
necessary.
It's
I think I'll give it a
If the
chance.
kids aspect does not come into
What if she's a bomb?
What if she's... No, it's okay. I never go for looks.
What if she's a pataka? Irresistible.
बोला ना उसको जवाब दिया मैंने.
क्या reluctantly लेना हाँ कर देख लेंगे यार छोड़
देख लेंगे नहीं seriously.
I'll give it a chance.
It's difficult to get a person who's perfect for you. That's why why not give it a chance. Kids ही तो है.
Well then again it is again it's not fair for expecting a perfect relationship because nothing is perfect.
Parag,
So-
one
You
more
have to
thing.
keep improving.
What if you get the girl, who's exactly like you in terms of thinking and everything? She's exactly like you in terms of her thoughts and all that. No bounding, want the freedom and all that. And
Basically how much are you willing to
interacts
compromise?
more, or like interacts with you in the same way as she interacts with the other male friends or female friends or whatever. Would it not bother you to a certain extent?
Oh no, I don't think so. I would like her to continue with the friends that she already had.
What if someone new
Before-
comes in? What if someone new comes in after you?
No.
Yeah, as long as she understands me
नहीं,
and I understand her and she respects me
नहीं है.
and we
है ना,
have a good
है,
relationship, I don't think.
TV बोल रहा हूँ.
Ulta, I also, go and meet that person and try to be a family friend and meet his wife.
His wife. Whom are you talking about?
Yeah, what was the question?
No, I just asked him, if he found someone who was exactly similar like him, where, she also wants her own freedom and all that stuff. So I just asked him, what if someone new comes in her life? Would he have a problem? So he's like, he's okay as long as, he can go, she understands him and all that. And what else did he say? Yeah, I mean, he can meet his her wife, right? His wife. rather.
friend.
So are you certifying infidelist behavior?
I'm not certifying any infidelist behavior.
That is what you're saying.
It's just friendship.
Just friendship. A little touche. Friendship of a different kind. The touchy kind. So
Ajit, your ideas.
Yeah, you're like this.
What are your views on marriage?
All around
Your
us.
expectations.
Okay, I was better
Your
as a camera.
expectations.
Ajit, direct this symbol.
That was just once.
खुद के दिल से बोलना किसी और के दिल से.
Right now, at this particular stage, I think मेरा मैरिज करने का कोई प्लान नहीं है because I'm not settled. It's
अभी
like
अभी
यहाँ पे किसी का मैरिज करने का प्लान नहीं
it's the
है.
thing.
मेरा भी नहीं है.
मेरा भी नहीं है.
तो क्या बोल रहा है यार?
नहीं, please, मेरा नहीं है.
Why do you think you should get married?
Why one should get married?
Why do you think you should
you
get
should-
married?
Okay. Why I should get
Why would you get married ever if you ever do?
Right now, I haven't thought about it. Why should I get married? Because I don't want to get married right now. That's
Why don't you go to get married?
Because I'm not settled.
Why not settled?
I'm
You
not.
want to get married in the future?
Yeah, definitely.
Why?
Why?
Because there are many reasons actually. There's not
Why-
one.
why-
I can start up with a story actually why I want to
Chill,
get
chill,
married.
chill.
Yeah.
Points.
Yes.
Shoot, my baby,
The
shoot.
first thing is my parents have some expectation for me, right? I have.
Blah 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 blah.
Okay.
Get to the point.
Cut the trap.
What do you want to hear? What do you want
The
to
story. What
The story.
hear? I'm telling you the story. Basically, to love someone actually. To love someone, to have someone.
See, this is the basic thing.
To love
Arey,
someone.
but
and
you
to
can
have
also love someone without marrying.
Yes,
What's
but
the point?
it's about sacrifice. You know, when you actually are in a relationship, you have.
So you're sacrificing by marrying someone.
Yes, I don't mind sacrificing to get that happiness.
Okay.
There's always two side of a coin.
But you can also sacrifice without marriage.
What do you want to sacrifice without marriage?
No,
Tell me
what do you want to
points.
sacrifice with marriage?
I'm asking you, what do you
Okay,
want?
now you're beating around bushes. Shut up, guys.
No,
See-
why did you come up with the word sacrifice?
Sacrifice, no, why not?
Because
What is sacrifice? What do you mean sacrifice?
Your freedom?
not exactly your freedom, not
Then-
totally
then-
your freedom, right? Like if I have to go out, I can always take her along with me. Right? That's not totally a kind of my freedom.
Like
chala
the
jayega.
bachelor's party and all.
There's some
Sacrificing
limitation.
taking her out.
Exactly, there won't be a sacrifice, right? Now he's saying कि तू क्या sacrifice करेगा? There are things which you won't sacrifice, and there are things which you will sacrifice. Like me going on a trek, and if she's not very much fond of a trekking, right? I would rather prefer going on a trek or a cycle trip, and if she is not, she should understand me. Now any marriage has to have some understanding, right?
Oh, I thought you would sacrifice a trek for her.
Well, it depends.
What kind of sacrifice? She should sacrifice or you should sacrifice after marriage.
He was talking about her sacrifice.
Okay, even I can sacrifice. Maybe she has to go out somewhere, which I feel like I am not supposed to go.
Then you will not go and
Where?
what do you want to go?
I don't know where she wants to go. Yeah, I haven't met her.
Kitty parties.
Kitty party guys are not allowed, I guess.
Okay, maybe for a friend's birthday party.
Special
And if I
friends.
know her, then definitely yes.
Special friends.
Special friends, definitely yes. I would go.
No, maybe
It's a he.
a friend who is your ex-girlfriend.
Okay.
You
You're
won't
in
go.
a situation
You won't go in that birthday party.
ले भाई नाम नहीं ले. नाम
नाम
नहीं
ले
ले.
ले यार, नाम भी ले ले.
बहुत हो गया छुपा छुपी.
Beating around the bushes.
अब तो कोई नाम ले ही लो. अंगार फूटेंगे यहाँ पे.
कौन सा नाम? किसका नाम?
बैटरी चार्ज पे डाली है, वो बंद हो जाएगी चल.
Sacrifice गलत word use कर दिया.
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice is always there.
No, you said you want to marry because you want to sacrifice.
Like, I didn't say I want to sacrifice. They
I would
always,
like to sacrifice.
there's always part of a marriage which actually tends when you sacrifice stuff. I don't know
Are
how
you talking
to.
about compromise?
compromise is different actually. Sacrifice is something which you want and you still will leave doing it. You sacrifice stuff, right? Compromise is something like you both compromise on the one same thing and maybe you will understand,
That's
okay,
what
this
the
time
example
you will do
that
this
you
and
gave
next time you will do that.
You will go for the trek and she won't come. Was a compromise. It was
Sorry?
not a sacrifice.
Okay.
Sacrifice would have been if you don't go even if you want to.
Exactly.
Because she
That's a
doesn't-
sacrifice by her, right? Checking if she's not going for a trek, that's sacrifice by her.
She doesn't like.
She doesn't like
she's not
trekking,
going.
yeah.
You like. You're going. Who is sacrificing?
Even
You're
if
compromising.
that's compromising by her, right? Not by me.
How?
Oh God.
What else do you want from marriage besides
What are we
you
talking
want
about?
you want to
What are we talking about? I have actually lost a clue.
what I understood
I've
from
actually-
your answer is like you want to marry because you want to love someone.
Yes.
You want to marry because you want to sacrifice.
You also want to sacrifice.
The second point is wrong. Second point you misunderstood.
Exactly. I connected it.
You mistook it.
I connected it.
And then everyone did wrong. Maybe no one understood. These are sacrifice.
You are also wrong.
You should be in the army, yaar. Then you will love your country, you will sacrifice.
Okay.
Okay, what is next? Love, sacrifice.
Compromise.
Now that was the kind of serious stuff, right? You should be thanking me. I made it a kind of hilarious part.
Compromise. And what else?
But sacrifice or compromise?
Both. His compromise would be her sacrifice.
Okay.
Oh God. अरे यार
You should not.
मार डालोगे.
I should have used that word. Then compromise, okay? let's say compromise.
Let's compromise on compromise.
हाँ और क्या? और बताओ.
Or why I want to get married? More point to laugh. Let's say
That you decide.
let's say to have something legal. Legally.
Something.
Legal. That's-
Some legal kids.
Okay, what else?
What else? Okay.
No, what is the thing which you'll have plus legal? Which you can't have without marriage. No, what do you
Can
mean
you
by
marry?
something?
Marriage certificate.
Something legal.
That will be a legal marriage certificate.
It's not a marriage certificate, yeah. It's not a some degree
Yeah,
or
yeah, of
something.
course it will be a
No, degree
certificate. Degree है.
वो registration certificate है ना?
That's a degree.
हाँ, marriage certificate क्यों होते हैं? तो price है क्या?
Marriage registration certificate. Short form हो गया वो.
That is to certify that you did something commendable in your life
After graduating.
after
Next
graduating.
degree.
What next? What else?
Okay, back to me.
Hey, marriage is only about sacrifice.
And her sacrifice.
Like you said, he compromised and she sacrificed.
Better put in one line. Good. That's it. हो गया personal.
बस.
Time for the big one. Yeah, someone
Something
finally
big.
in favor of marriage.
I don't know. I mean, favor.
तो था ना starting में.
नहीं मतलब
वो भी है ना.
तेरे पे ऑप्शन नहीं है, तू शादीशुदा है. तू अगर चाहता है तो भी कुछ बोल नहीं सकता है. घर जाके पिटेगा तू.
Sacrifice compromise.
Sacrifice compromise हो जाएगा. अबे क्या कर रहा है? इतना इमोशनल मत हो यार.
Sacrifice bed.
sacrifice the bed, okay? Please don't compromise on that.
ठीक है चलो भाई. Yes, finally we have a viewpoint in favor of marriage.
I don't know. The first reason for marriage for me would be the completeness that you get. Finally, it is my own family that I'm starting. So that is the first thing that I would think. Stability, I won't call that a necessity for marriage because I think most of us without marriage is also very stable in their lives. For me, I think the first thing would be completeness. The second thing would be ability to devote myself to one person for the rest of my life, irrespective of how she may be. What if tomorrow something happens to her? She may not be as pretty as she is right now. So the feeling, or at least the knowledge that I will be there for her until she's there, or she'll be there for me until I'm there, you know. At least to have that one assurance of is, you know.
Why is marriage necessary for
Yeah,
the
obviously.
Sorry?
You can
Why
also
is
devote it to
marriage
your parents. Or
Yeah, we are doing that, right?
Oh, so
We are doing that. We are always doing that. That is always
I
there.
mean, why? My question is, why is marriage your mental for devotion?
No, it's not my medal for devotion. It's not my requirement for devotion. But see, the thing is that, let's say, you know, you have a good friend, you know, something happens, whatever. And sooner or later, I mean, yeah, fine, initially you may be able to give your 100%, maybe 120%, whatever you have, more than that.
To my marriage.
No, to that person, to your friend. But sooner or later, other things will take importance in your life. You will start knowing. If the same thing happens with your husband, God forbid, you can't do that. You won't be able to move on. Your constant focus of attention would be that one person.
But it doesn't depend on whether the person is a husband or a friend.
No, it does.
It does.
Because once you have that,
once you have that emotional
tie,
connection
once
and
you
all.
have that emotional tie, once you have that personal listening with that person.
It's hard.
See, friends will always see once after you get married and all, or any
It's
after.
not just about
No.
friendship. Even
No,
if you
any-
love someone, even
Yeah,
if you
even
want
if
to
you love
marry,
someone,
you can
yeah.
give that much.
Yeah, you will give that much devotion. Yeah, there are people who do that. I'm not saying people who don't do that, but there are people who do that. But at the end of the day, what happens is that you sooner or later you tend to move in your own life because you have to. There is no other option. At least in this case, even if you're moving on in your own life, you're coming back to that same person.
Because you have made the person a part of your life.
Exactly. So those two things, and obviously the other things that come with marriage. But again, that would be like the icing on the cake. The cake is more or less this. So personally for me, I mean, yeah, as soon as my girl says yes, okay, I'll be like the first one to jump there, and I'm ready. That's something serious.
Oh, but just now.
बस अजीत को question पूछो.
Just to add, one more reason why I would be getting married is because I want to prove all these preconceived notions wrong. And not to prove a point or anything, but for my own satisfaction, you know. Because
What notions you want to prove wrong?
that marriages can't be successful. Or rather, they cannot be perennially successful.
See, I mean, all marriages.
One of the
There
notion.
are marriages
One of the
who are
notion.
successful.
Second notion.
Find a successful marriage.
Huh?
Yeah,
Two
exactly.
happy
Yeah,
people.
marriage where there is no,
Two
there are
happy
no
people.
fights, then that
How
was
do you
not a
define
successful
the
marriage.
happiness?
It's
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
very
See,
subjective, I think.
happiness is a very subjective topic. So let's not start on what happiness is.
Exactly.
Happiness for me
On
means
the same
something.
lines,
That is the beauty.
successful marriage is
Successful marriage is one in which.
hypothetical talk.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Successful marriage is one in which the person who is involved is subjectively happy. Because,
Content.
like I said, happiness is a very relative term.
That is why
your idea of happiness,
never define
that is
whether
that is where the marriage becomes successful, because the other person identifies your quality of happiness, and you get what you deserve, and the same thing is reciprocated the other way around. That is,
it's between the two of them.
yeah.
It's
So
never on the outside.
yeah.
बाहर से कोई बता नहीं सकता कि भाई इन दोनों में कुछ
Yeah, so if you want my definition of successful marriage would be one in which both the parties are happy. And when I say happy, it is a very broad concept.
Yeah.
Basically, I am not saying that I'll be smiling every single day of my life, but even when I'm crying, I'll still be happy.
Good chance of that.
No, that is what I'm saying. Nah, even when I'm fighting with her, or for any particular reason arguing with her, there'll be sense in it, and there'll be logic in it. Because at the end of the day, I'll see reason and I'll say, okay, fine, this was bound to happen, and
It doesn't need to have sense and logic, but then
there'll be no
it gets
nonsensical
resolved and
stuff.
it goes on.
Yeah, I
Life
mean,
goes on.
ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब, see, nobody expects a perfect life. At some point of time, everybody is bound to hurt. That is not the point. The point is how well can you cope with it, and on a scale of 10, how well do you put yourself, or the marriage itself.
Why boundaries?
My scale.
Why what?
Why do you want to measure all that?
Yeah.
Why not?
I mean, see, a good marriage is
Why not? Why not?
Again, that is relative.
See, that is what I'm saying. Some people will be happy with us. Some people will be happy with a 7 out of 10. Some people will be happy with a 5 out of 10. So long as
How would you say 7 out of 10? Let's
But
say,
that
for
See,
5
that's
out of 10
right.
will be equivalent to
Like,
7
when I
out of
said-
10 for the other person.
I am just saying, that is what, that is not the point. The point is very simple. In a marriage, if I feel happy, I feel that I have done my part, and Bhavna is reciprocated it, then it is a successful marriage.
For you, what about Bhavna?
I said either ways. I said both the ways. I said if I am happy, yeah, and I have done my part in making her happy as well, and we can both come back from a hard day's work to each other, it's a successful marriage.
But then, okay, let's say we sit and try to rate our marriage. Okay? I say 7 out of 10, she says 8 out of 10.
Doesn't matter.
I'll be sad, right? Or rather, she'll be sad that
No.
I said only 7 out of 10.
No, I play this game all day long.
7 out of 10 would be.
Frankly, we play this game all time. I mean, there is nothing new to this. I mean, I'll tell you one of the secrets of my life. This game goes on in my life. So the reason why I do it is because I want to improvise. I keep asking Bhavna to. I know it's a very stupid game, but
It's a very objective way to look
it is not it's not an objective way. It is just a fun way to look at things. See, you make a game out of things. Why do you want to do everything in a mundane manner? Why make life so so routine?
Depends on what is mundane.
So
But
just
even this gets routine, right? I mean, you're constant.
I won't be doing it forever in my life. I'll find new ways of doing it.
You can do it in some other way.
Okay, then rate
Step
yourself.
0 to 10, step out of 100. Either way, each has his own ways, honestly.
Oh, I see the fifth expression coming. About time. she was trying to say something. Go again.
I just didn't agree with the scale wala part. Tunani Parag. No, I didn't understand what you want to prove. There are already many marriages who are perennially successful. So what is there to prove?
Or so it seems.
Again, as a third person, you can never
Yeah,
judge
so-
whether
I know. So why should anyone else decide whether my marriage is successful or not?
Who wants to
Who's
decide?
going to decide? Cares
हाँ तो
about
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो फिर अभी
seriously.
हाँ तो फिर मैं रेटिंग करूँ या कुछ और करूँ if I can keep that.
See, anyone who looks at other people's marriages, generally, unless it's a very close friend, they look at it as entertainment. I think that's
And always finds the
they'll always see
Criticizing
unhappiness.
things.
They'll never see happiness in
Yeah.
there. It's simply that. So it doesn't matter.
they always find faults first.
Exactly.
Actually, I don't agree. I think everyone wants a marriage to be successful. Any kind.
They want a marriage to be successful.
Want and desire is one thing.
Yeah. If they see something,
Getting it fulfilled is another thing.
people tend to talk about the risks more than a successful marriage. How many successful marriages do you have heard? And in comparison, how many unsuccessful marriages do you have heard? Because unsuccessful marriage stories sell. Siblings.
Gossips.
Gossips. Yeah. That's the way it is. दूसरे लोग क्या बोलते हैं, it does not matter. Whether it's good or bad. मतलब लोग अच्छा बोल रहे हैं तो let's not get carried away with that also. And the other thing.
Anyways, I have a different set of ideas.
To each is one. Okay. To each married couple is one. Because that's
It's
the
how
way it works.
ultimately at the end of the day it is how well you blend with each other.
Exactly.
It doesn't matter how you do it, which way you do it.
I think as long as there is love, the marriage is successful.
Some call it love, others call it understanding.
Love is beyond
That
beyond
only,
marriage actually.
makes you overcome all the other barriers.
Others call that understanding.
No,
When it's an arranged marriage, some people call it understanding, they don't call it love.
slight
Understanding
correction.
could be
Happened to a love
quite wide, right? Understanding could be quite wide.
Understanding would also encapsulate
Like what
all
he
of
said
this.
was a part of an understanding that she won't come but leave.
some
Something
second
like an understanding.
But then,
Okay, एक काम करते हैं. This brings an interesting question. I would like everyone to define love.
Oh, मेरे को ये पूछने वाला था. How will you define love?
Exactly.
dig inside.
The most boring question.
No, it is actually a very boring question, but with a very interesting answer. Let's see how well people can define. So who wants to start first? Okay, so the
Get
most
the dictionary.
the most horrible face will start first. Yeah. Acha, but in simple words, what would be the definition of love for you? Very complicated feeling, isn't it? Very difficult to put on words. Anyone?
I think it's some sort of a strong emotional attachment which gives you happiness. It can be love for anything, like
Oh,
love for
ये
mountains,
तो
love for
भाई-
dogs, love for women, cars, or generalized.
I say
Same as above.
I say love is a sense of completion.
अगर खुद की तरफ point कर,
I'm trying to
आवाज
gauge.
ही इसकी पहचान है.
I'm trying to gauge the reaction of people to that. Anyone would like to contest it?
पता नहीं, I'm confused.
I said love for me is a sense of completion.
Completion of what? That you are complete.
Not me, yeah.
That means you are incomplete without love.
Yeah, I am.
for what?
Whose love?
And I'm not talking about somebody loving me. I'm talking about me feeling love towards anyone in the world. I think I'm incomplete without that. So for me, in a very generalized manner, I'm incomplete without love in myself. And that could be for anyone, for anything. I think the day we manage to fill the world up with enough love, that'll be the end of all problems.
Message.
Yeah, if you've read my Orkut message.
No, but what did you say? You want to love someone, only then you feel complete.
Anyone.
But what is that? You want to love someone means what?
Exactly. Fill up yourself with so much of passion. Yeah, I'm not saying matlab you go over the moon. Acha, let me as a science student, let me put it in terms of energy. If you send a vibe around which brings back the same vibe, that is love.
It's not necessary.
It is. I can tell you for sure,
End up loving them.
a genuinely,
For that,
A genuine-
every single person in the world,
Should be
every
sending
single
those messages.
organism in the world has to send the exact same vibe.
what?
Only then it will come back. In pure science.
Okay, let's get a little more cosmic in nature.
So
वाला साइंस
कॉस्मिक साइंस में जाते हैं. There is infinite energy in the universe. So if I push something out, something has to come back.
Something, but it won't be the exact same thing.
No, it need not be the same thing, but it
Love
could
is
be.
an energy.
Anyway, it's a sense of well-being
If
basically.
you send love, you might also get it.
Put in simplest terms, I say love is a sense of well-being.
How will you say it's an energy? Isn't it a feeling?
Anything in the
How
world
do you
is
define
energy.
it as an energy?
Everything is energy.
Everything in the world is energy.
As a pure physicist, everything is energy.
You're playing a physicist role.
Acha, there was this really interesting book. I think you should read it. I mean, everything that you see around is just energy.
The feeling is also part of energy.
Yeah.
Chemical reaction चल रहा है,
Electromagnetic. Yeah, seriously. Arey, seriously. Abey.
chemical.
What is your body all about? It is just electro, whatever. You're just sending electric pulses every now and then. What you are hearing right now, what you are feeling right now, everything is nothing but pulses, and it is basically electricity. It is maybe of a different kind.
It is telecom.
Electrical engineering. Okay, let's not get into the science part of it because there is one real nerd out here. This one, this.
This is the nerd
Yeah.
that talks. This is the nerd that does not talk.
Yeah, some guy who blows up his hair and thinks he's an Einstein.
मैंने अभी आइंस्टाइन वर्ड बोला ही नहीं. तूने बोला.
Somebody who's trying to look like Einstein.
Did you have an email?
Einstein didn't
How?
have curly hair.
Exactly.
He
He didn't have curly hair.
he didn't have curly hair.
He did. He
Are you
did have
sure?
curly hair.
No, he had
No,
straight
he
hair.
had straight
Just
hair.
was fuzzed out.
हाँ.
Because he never
और वो सिर्फ
probably
एक
bothered to-
फोटोग्राफ था जो फोटोग्राफ सब जगह
Did you have an email which said Einstein is back?
उसका एक यूथ
Talk about self-indulgence.
Exactly.
different.
Talk about self-indulgence.
Don't talk about that.
Talk about
Back,
self-indulgence.
huh? Dish? Einstein is back, huh?
Einstein
It
is
does not
right.
exist anymore.
Exactly. Right.
I'll try sending a mail tomorrow. If I get a delivery report, you're screwed.
Will you send a mail tomorrow?
I can.
When his marriage is screwed.
If there's something at stake, I can.
Then I'll reply to her.
So Jesus, you need to ask him a few questions.
So,
Sujit, what is love?
Yes, you also.
Sacrifice.
if you love something, if you love something, set it free. If it comes back to you, it is yours.
Otherwise, it's a sacrifice.
If it doesn't come back to it, it is somebody else's.
So जितने जरा बोले वगैरह इसका मजाक हो रहा है. क्या होगा?
मैंने ही कहा था sacrifice.
बट स्वजीत नहीं होता तो क्या होता?
Sacrifice नहीं होता.
हम लोग इतना फन सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ता. हाँ सचिन. Other than
क्या कर रहा है यार तू एक टाइम?
but in वो देख इधर है ना.
What? That's my pillow.
दे उधर उसको जगाने के नीचे मैं तो ऑलरेडी जा रहा हूँ. वो बालू दर्द इधर ही करेगा नालायक
ये टॉवल कौन यूज करने वाला है कल?
हलकट कुतरिया. ठीक है बस वो डर गई. उसको कितनी उम्मीद है मेरे से. आई विल नॉट डिसअपॉइंट. 5:30.
सोई मत.
सुना?
सीरियसली पता है अगर उसने वो नहीं सोया ना तो नींद आधी रह
ठीक है 3rd दिसंबर को तुम लोग का काम है इसको जगा के रखना. 3rd दिसंबर को इसको जगा के रखने का काम है. मैं तो नहीं रहूँगा इस शुभ कार्य के लिए. बट तुम लोग मेरा एक पापू रखना.
हम लोग थोड़ा ज्ञान नहीं तेरे से लेके उसको फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे.
Forward करेंगे. मैं
इसका रिकॉर्ड कर रहा
मैं
हूँ
एक
शादी के 1
दूंगा.
महीने बाद his experience.
My first chapter balance. My second day, third day, fourth day, nothing to talk about. Enjoy.
पहले दिन तो बहुत बोलेगा, 4th 5th आने तक no comments.
भावनाओं को समझो.
तू समझा.
हाँ वही.
देख आजकल बहुत भावना लगा है. इसका भावना रहती है.
भक्तजनों, सालों. हो गया. I think now we can hit the bed, please. Pretty please. I request you. I beg you.
हाँ पूछना.
तुम लोग तो साइड में बैठ के खर्राटे भरोगे उधर पुपचे में बैठ के.
पूछो.
स्टेज पे मुझे बैठना.
अरे तू हम लोग भी खड़े रहेंगे ना तेरे साथ.
सब साले बेवड़े लोग लगेंगे कल सुबह.
5:30 को तुझे उठना है ना, हम लोग बात करते करते 5:30 तक रुकते हैं, तुझे उठा देते हैं, हम लोग सो जाते हैं.
हाँ वही एक काम करना, तू उठना, तू जाना वहाँ पे, हम लोग के लिए रेडी रहना, हम लोग आ जाते
ऐसे ही
हैं.
कुछ करें. तू भी
शादी-
उठेगा, हम भी नहीं सोएंगे.
शादी चालू होने के बाद मिस कॉल दे देना
नहीं, चालू होने से 5 मिनट पहले
हाँ,
ले जाएगा, थोड़ा
हाँ,
time.
टाइम लगेगा.
What I wanted to ask was, like, there are many people, जिनका say who've been in a relationship for like 3, 4, 5, 7 years before they get married, and after they get married, so what is the excitement left in their lives? I mean, in arranged marriage and stuff, you start that process all over again. Or like not all over again, but you start the process.
All over again. मतलब you love someone, then you get married to somebody else.
होता है ना, it happens to a lot of
वही तो समझ गया. In that case, it will be all over again.
Yeah. But otherwise, you will start the process. So, logically speaking, I mean, if I know everything about...
Nobody is eligible for that question. These people got married almost immediately. I am still single.
तो जाने दे, I'm still saying.
I am still single, but not ready to mingle.
You've been dating since what, last 2 years? Alliance में था तब से
I
चालू.
am dating for the last 27 months.
तो 2 साल की में.
हम लोग शादी करने उसको बस
Sorry?
तो engaged.
So you are still pretty bored of each other, no? Just like
But see, even in their case also, if you look at it, इन लोग केस में भी if we look at it, then निशाद hardly है और Sid hardly वहाँ पे जाता है. So
Actually.
technically, in a month they're only seeing each other for like 2 days.
No, see, but you get bored when there is
I know.
different happening.
2 weeks of separation, and then finally, positive and negative charge meeting. Sparks will fly. I will have to censor a few things. It's okay, we are all mature adults out here. We can handle this topic. Do sparks fly?
She was saying something. Yeah, I was just saying that you need to constantly keep doing new things to keep your relationship, a little interesting. Otherwise, it gets boring.
That's after years of
Starting से नहीं. What he is asking is कि शादी के पहले ही all the excitement you know the person with. So शादी के बाद क्या excitement मिलेगा?
बहुत सारा
You'll get to know the in-laws. No?
that is one thing. That is one thing.
It is important actually.
It's one of the biggest thing.
कैमरा रिकॉर्ड नहीं चालू था.
Cash things doesn't, huh?
कैमरा was on in record mode. Please come again.
I think my pop-in-law and my mother-in-law are the best people I've met, and it's all
Still in the pause mode. Come to the real birth. Come with the real
Best
shirt.
set of people I've ever met.
अभी तक emotions real ऐसे लगने चाहिए. Acting लग रही है.
How can you be judgmental about people who have not even interacted with? What are you expecting?
How judgmental he got.
I was pissed with them. I was not
याद है
judgmental.
तेरे को ना?
I was pissed with them. I was not judgmental. I never. There's a difference. I have a right to be miffed with anyone and everyone. Yeah, but then if I make
You're
a.
not giving us the answer.
Huh?
You're not giving us the answer to the question.
I'm still to know them. How can I give an answer to that
So
question?
how are you saying that they're very nice people?
Because then I.
On based on what?
It's a. any जब भी तू theorem start करता है तो पहले एक assumption डालता है. हाँ पहले एक assumption डालता है. अगर if you manage to prove that assumption right, then it is a theorem. If you don't manage to prove it, then it is otherwise. So right the proof by contradiction. वही whatever. Sorry. Don't start. हाँ ये भाई साहब मतलब theoretical knowledge में तो मतलब छोड़ेगा नहीं कभी.
कितना रटा था रे तूने?
शी मतलब फिर भी एसएससी में कितना आया रे 85 पढ़ हिंदी चोर इतना पढ़ के सिर्फ 85 लाया. मेरिट में कितने आया? लेवल अनदर वन.
दूसरों को चांस देना था.
तेरे को चांस देने का
शौक नहीं, नॉलेज का शौक नहीं करना था.
92% मिलता है.
92
91.67
एसएससी की बात हो रही है. पीसीएम की बात नहीं हो रही है. पीसीएम में इधर चिरफड़ करने वाले लोग बैठे हैं इधर. डॉक्टर को पूछ कितना है सर.
छोड़ना.
हाँ चीरहरण करके बैठे हुए हैं.
85 है. इसको लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता.
बट मेरे को 147 मिला आउट ऑफ 150 मैक्स एंड चांस एसएससी. वो मैं आज भी ऐसा मतलब कॉलर ऊपर करके बोलता हूँ. जब मैटर करता था तभी नहीं किया मैंने. वाली नहीं है. वेरी नोटोरियस.
So how is your relationship with Sally? पता है आज हम लोग
On नहीं है.
गाड़ी में चल रहा था.
क्या शी इज़ टोटली ऑपोजिट ऑफ भावना. तो उसका तो मतलब शी इज़ गॉट टोटली डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ आइडियाज़. तो आई डोंट थिंक मेरा उसके साथ इतना सिंक होगा.
क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है वो? आई हैव ही
वो मेरे को पता है. वो उसका रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है.
वो दीवार पे फोकस करके रिकॉर्ड.
Anyways, I'll be surprised myself if I manage to sync with her because she's a totally different person with a completely different set of ideas. Very unlike Bhavna. So very non-accommodating and very what do you call मतलब somebody who needs her private space. And she wouldn't even tolerate her own near and dear ones coming into her own private space. So a person very unlike of my taste. So I don't know, I'm very, it's not like I can't get along with her, but I don't think I'll be like best friends with her or anything. I mean, basically the whole idea of this personal space is something that I'm not very, I mean, of course everybody has a right to it, but it's not like
Morning, and this is the D-Day.
ये निशा का फोटो.
हाँ धूल मट्टी उड़ा के गया. ओके अकेले निशा का. साले तू भी आ गया गलती से. आ गया. Not bad.
पाँचों को लेने को ट्राई कर रहे थे ये लोग आगे चले गए.
तो हम लोग इतना लेट है हम लोग गाली देंगे. बस आंटी.
अरे
Nice,
morning.
nice. ठीक है ना वो चढ़ेगा यार. यार आज फटाक से नाश्ता करते हैं.
है क्या? अरे नाश्ता है अंदर. चल.
टॉप टू
क्या
बॉटम.
खत्म तरीके है.
बहुत है.
यस.
जा फटाफट नाश्ता कर ले.
चल.
क्योंकि
Each and every moment should be captured.
पूरा दिन पड़ा है.
हाँ बोला है.
जाना है अपने को.
कहाँ जाना है? ओके.
ये वो सब फूल पत्ती वगैरह जो भी है बुके वगैरह
लेकर आना है.
Hi.
Hi.
हाँ वीडियो है. This is the personal videos. फोटोग्राफ ना ये डिपार्टमेंट है ये लोग. मेरे हाथ में वीडियो है खाली.
देखो वीडियो का काम दिया
है वीडियो वाला. ये क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट है ये. How are you? अनासी मंदिर भी आ रहे श्री कृष्ण मंदिर. हाँ नहीं एंट्रेंस दैट ही एंट्रेंस श्री मंदिर.
എല്ലാ ആവശ്യമാണെങ്കിൽ വിളിക്കാം മാക്സിമം നടക്കുകയാണെന്ന് 20 മിനിറ്റ് ദൂരം. വണ്ടി വന്നിട്ടില്ല
വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ.
അന്ന് ഞാൻ
അത് തന്നെ ഇവരങ്ങോട്ട് പോയിട്ട്
Aren't we supposed to go in to see Rahul's
I
wedding?
don't know.
What are we doing here?
I don't know. Are we supposed to go in? मैं तो था ही नहीं यहाँ पे, so I don't know what the plan is. Paparazzis. Okay.
He's your best man.
गया है सामने.
So I said blink and it gets over.
Focus on Rahul. Look at his expressions. Capture him. Capture them.
तेरे 5 एक्सपीरियंस होते हैं, सारे एक्सपीरियंस
वहाँ से चल के आ गई ना.
वो तो राहुल ने आया तो किया ना.
That's how it is. The groom is like welcomed by the bride, the bride's brother, and then उसका farewell होके उसको फिर लेकर आता है.
वो शर्ट के टाइम पे किया था.
हाँ, इसके टाइम पे भी हुआ रहेगा ना. The brother must have done something. फिर वो अंदर लेकर आता है.
स्ट्रैटेजिक पोजीशन पे हम लोग दे विल बी वॉकिंग ऑन एंड कमिंग आउट.
फिर ये ताली exchange करके
के बाजू हटने बोलने वाले हैं, डोंट वरी.
वो आने तक विल कैप्चर.
वो डैश गिरा कर जा सकता है कोई जाम
Stop.
You've got this part.
Yeah. Okay, Rahul's expressions being captured. And Bhavna wants to see him, but has to transfer.
Just to
Okay. Oh, camera shy. Okay, she's on camera shy. She always say hi. इसके लिए इसका नहीं लेंगे. And that's Santosh driving away. राहुल का नाम क्या हो गया? राहुल नीचे जा रहा है. वो टेढ़ा ही है. आज उसकी हुई है. has been signed.
नहीं एक और
tilted head Rahul.
Rahul with tilt.
सर से मिला सर.
अरे यार.
Oh damn.
अरे
बहुत comfortably
Now back to the dressing up. Now for the reception. People are looking amazing. To the hot seat.
लेके आना.
Shiny part.
There is something shining on this chin. Chin and the nose.
Sweat.
लेके आना. Topic is sensitive.
He is always having that smile. कुछ ना कुछ तो फोटोग्राफ अच्छी आता है. फोटो निकालने वाला. Slip में handkerchief.
He is not sweating.
ऐसे ही कर दिया होता. और रिकॉर्डिंग से.
ठीक से जब
मजा आ रहा है.
This also.
तेरा तो फुटेज यहाँ से ही शुरू है.
सही तो लैब में स्टेज पे वहाँ बैठ के ना सब लोग आ रहे हैं, वहाँ बैठ के जो टू हो वो नमाज अब चलने पड़ा।
We are back in the car, returning back home, back to Mumbai. Commentary दे रहा हूँ। सो रहे हैं ना लोग, I don't want to disturb them. One man awake. Full train down, sleeping. Hey, don't show enthusiasm on camera. How sorry is he? Okay, she was only sleeping. Oh, okay.
मैं कौन हूँ? मैं कहाँ हूँ?
Okay, you're with us. You are Pallavi.
Oh, thanks. Who are you?
I don't know. हम लोग मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे
और बोले तक तुम पहचान सको।
तो लोग पहचानेंगे मेरी आवाज़। हम लोग पूरा मुंबई पुणे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पे है जो 131 किलोमीटर है यहाँ से मुंबई। यहाँ पे गाड़ी तो यहाँ पे लोग सो रहे हैं।
नहीं,
क्या कर रहे हैं?
लिखा है देख, मधमाशांचे आक्रमण, खेळाडूंचा साष्टांग नमस्कार.
ओ मधुमक्खी ने अटैक कर दिया।
यस.
Even umpire has gone down. Shucks. I don't know what that hill is. What is it called? कौन सा हिल? If you know.
हिल का कोई नाम नहीं है।
एक्सप्रेस के नाम से
Expressway hill. Say hi.
हेलो बॉस।
आपको शादी कैसी लगी?
पेट भर खाना खाया।
और जोड़ी के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
वो तो कल रात को ही हमने अपने विचार किए।
स्पष्ट कर दिया था, क्लियर कर दिया था।